Hello viewers! In this video, I'll show you how to install an audio driver on a laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. So how do you do it? Let's get started. Open any web browser and search for 3DP chip using the Google search engine. You will find its official website. Click on it. Find and click on Download the latest version. The download will begin shortly. You can check the download status by going to the Download section. Downloading is complete. Please open the Downloads folder to begin the setup. Now right-click on the setup file and select the option Run as Administrator. On the interface of the 3DP chip, click on the Multimedia Sound option. That are missing on your PC or laptop, that caused the issue. Now find and click on the version number link under the driver download section. Downloading will start. You can check the download status by going to the download section. Downloading is complete. Please open the Downloads folder to begin the setup. Now right-click on the setup file and select the option Run as Administrator. Now extract this setup and click the OK button. It extracting. After extracting, it is now installing. Select the audio driver name, then click the OK button. Installation in progress. After installation, a message appears. Your PC must be restarted. Now restart your PC. After the restart, your problem will be resolved. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.